Today's video will be having a market analysis, a pre-market analysis basically, because today is Saturday and the forex market is closed. So we'll be looking at Eurgbp. What was the market situation on Eurgbp? As you can see on the weekly time frame, this is actually a top-down analysis, so we have to start from the higher time frame so we can get the bigger picture of the market. So on the weekly time frame, you can see Eurgbp have been in an uptrend. On the weekly time frame, Eurgbp have been on an uptrend since basically last year, beginning of last year, and right now is trading under a resistance level, a weekly resistance level, which Eurgbp have been on at the moment. So you can see our level of support, and right now it's on a resistance level. So what's the market situation right now? Where is Eurgbp headed to next? So let's move down to the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, you can see Eurgbp have created couple of higher lows, and all that, and right is it's on the resistance level. So generally it's been bullish for weeks, for months, for years. Sorry, not years, for months and weeks. So, and as you can see at this point, because these are point of focus right now, this market zone, that's our point of focus. So what's actually happening here? As you can see, we've been having a kind of a ranging market at this point. Market have been ranging at this point. Yeah, we have been having equal lows and equal highs. Market have been ranging at this point for weeks now. We'd say about 2-3 months. Market have been ranging at this point. So what's next for Eurgbp? As you can see, whenever there's a ranging market, if a breakout of the ranging market to either the upside or the downside follows up. So as the market have been on uptrend, we can assume that the market the market is exhausting its bullish pressure, its bullish momentum, and a breakout of this uptrend might be expected. As you can see, if we zoom out, you can see there's a kind of a formation of head and shoulders pattern at this point, which is actually a reversal pattern. And whenever we see a head and shoulders pattern, we'll be expecting price reversal to follow up the pattern formation. Yeah, so what do we expect at this point? On this ranging market, we are slowly seeing a couple of lower highs formation. Market is edging towards a breakout. We can assume the market is edging towards a breakout. Remember, we are all analyzing based on past market movements, based on market trading is all about probabilities. So you have to use the market's past movements to predict the future, what's going to happen in the future in the market. So you can assume that based on these confluences, you can assume that confluences for our trade idea, which is actually a breakout, like we're looking out for a sell opportunity. Our confluences would be a resistance level, a strong weekly resistance level, which is this, a strong weekly resistance level, a long-term uptrend. Markets keep creating this long-term uptrend, and it's reacting at this resistance level. So you'll be heading towards a breakout and a drop. That could be what price. That could be next price next movement. So our focus now will be on price action only. Our focus now will be on price reaction at this point. So this is our support level of this consolidation, which has been on for weeks now, this particular consolidation. So this particular consolidation here. So these are our support level here. These are support level. So we're expecting a breakout of the support level for a sell opportunity because of our confidence is this our support level, our formation, our head and shoulders pattern formation, which is a reversal pattern. Our head and shoulders pattern formation, which is a reversal pattern. So we could be seeing a move like this, a breakout of this particular consolidation support level, a retest of this our support trend, our uptrend support, then a continuation for a sell. So where will be our point of target if we are to get a sell? This is actually a swing trade. This is a swing opportunity, and this would definitely give us a couple of risk to reward. This is a nice risk to reward trade if you can get a nice entry of this particular move. You can catch these sells on Eurgbp. So our point of interest would be, we'll be looking out for price action at this point in the coming days or weeks, maybe next week, next 2 weeks. We're looking out for price action at this point. Yeah, we're looking out for price reaction at this point. So for us to take ourselves, if we can get a breakout of this support level and the retest of it, then our entry will be like this, because we have consolidated for long. So a breakout would be, a possible breakout would be a follow-up move of these pair. Yeah, so if you can get a breakout of this support level and a break of this our trend, you can get a sell trade. And so far these lows are not taking off. This our swing low, so far this low is not taking off. It could actually, you can see price reacting to this level, before a breakout. So we'll also be watching out for this point too, for a sell, for a second trade entry, like a re-entry at this point. So we'll be watching out for this sell, because you can see price drop below this level and consolidate at this area for some time before a continuation. So we'll be watching out for these points of interest. Our first point of interest is here, this level, this point. That's our first point of interest. Then our second point of interest, if we can have price make a couple of moves, like consolidate, like play around like it did here. You can see at this point, after this little consolidation, you had the breakout to the upside. So if you can have price do the same thing, at this point, then we'll be taking another sell opportunity, maybe a breakout of the consolidation phase for another sell opportunity, a second trade entry. Yeah, so you're having about this is a swing trade, so your risks, you should manage your risks. And you're having about, okay, let's say our risk is like 50 pips risk. Our risk is about 50 pips risk, and our target is about 400 pips target on this trade. So if you can get a good entry at this point, this would really be a long-term sell trade for us on Eurgbp. It should give us good risk to reward. The same thing here for our secondary entry, about 45 pips risk, and target would be about 250 pips target, which is about our risk to reward is about let me say 6:1, basically, roughly 6:1. Like, yeah, that's a nice risk to reward on this trade. So this is not the financial advice. Just do your own analysis, make your own researches, and comment on the next pair you would want me to analyze, and what's your view on this particular analysis. Just drop a comment, and if you're returning viewer, like if you haven't subscribed before, maybe a new viewer or whatever, so please do well to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Peace out.